Seek advice on risk, from the wealthy who still take risks, not friends who dare nothing, more than a football bet. You make most of your money, in a bear market, you just don't realize it at the time. Investing is the intersection of economics and psychology. Trade what's happening, not what you think is gonna happen. The hard, cold reality of trading is that every trade has an uncertain outcome. The consistency you seek is in your mind, not in the markets. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Trading effectively is about assessing probabilities, not certainties. Spend each day trying to be a little wiser than you were when you woke up. The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money. Trading is very competitive, and you have to be able to handle getting your butt kicked. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. There is a time to go long, a time to go short, and a time to go fishing. Remember that stocks are never too high for you to begin buying or too low to begin selling. In trading, everything works sometimes, and nothing works always. There is a huge difference between a good trade and good trading. If I have positions going against me, I get right out. If they are going for me, I keep them. Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough. All the math you need in the stock market, you get in the 4th grade.